It's a maintenance of way train, Union Pacific on the Palmdale cutoff. Feeling we might have another train converging here. We'll see. Railfanscajonpass. We're up here by the cantilever at milepost 65. I think I'm feeling another train coming here. Autorack. We got main track number 1 eastbound, main track number 3 westbound. Now we're going to go into some freight train action here, it looks like. Grain cars, lumber, cement car. Alright. Some nice old Burlington Northern hoppers. Very nice. This toupee fillet cut on the bottom is giving us a nice view of the train behind it. Oh darn, that one did it too early. Nice train. This Mediterranean shipping company, I think. Mediterranean shipping company just became the biggest shipping company in the world. Overtook it from them. Maersk is a Danish company. Somebody told me that Mediterranean shipping took them over, but I don't know if that's true or not. flat wheel there. Sometimes they tie down here. Let's hope this doesn't. Keep on moving. All right. Cajon pass. I like what you see. Kind of had a 2.5 triple combo there. Started off with a Union Pacific maintenance train up there on the Palmdale cutoff. And we came down here and caught a couple of BNSF trains. Stacked intermodal and a freight train with Autoracks. Hope you like what you see. Please subscribe to the channel and leave us a like. We will catch you on the next one. Love you guys. Take care.